Hey, do you know how many organs are there in this human body? Medical science says it is 86. But recently, I figured out there is an 87th organ recently born in many human beings. And that 87th organ is the mobile phone we are using. Are you having 87th organ? Probably the 88th also. Yes or no? My name is Murali Sundaram, popularly known as the Happiness Coach. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how we must use the phone and the phone must not use us. Today, we are living in one of the most highly distractible society. Why? One message here in this phone can destroy our happiness. One phone call can rob our peace itself. Yes or no? There are many breakups have happened in this phone itself. So this evil monster created by our ancestors, one way it is useful and helpful, but in some ways it is also becoming a very highly super addictive gadget. Do you know who invented telephone? I'm sure you all know that, right? Abraham Graham Bell. Do you know what fascinated him to invent this telephone? Because I was studying a research in Wikipedia. I found out his mom and wife were deaf, and he was so fascinated in the concept of sound and the idea of sound, and that made him to create something called a telephone. But the interesting part is not this. This guy, after inventing the phone, he was very stubborn not to have a telephone on his desk. Yeah, the guy who invented the phone doesn't want a phone on his desk itself. And everyone asked why. He said, no, it will disturb my whole focus itself, because I want to continue in my research in what I really want to find out. So, that clearly shows that if you are someone so passionate in creating and changing lives, okay, once you create something, you will let go of it and go deeper and deeper because of your passion. And also, see that intense focus that Abraham Graham Bell was living. Okay, that made him to help the whole world. Today, just imagine if that guy wouldn't have invented this phone, you and me are still in Stone Age world itself. But what's happening right now in our life is so sad that half the time, okay, all of us are in the phone. Within a family, all four of us are sitting inside the same room, but all of us are chatting in the phone with someone else instead of talking to real human beings. Nowadays, everything has gone into telephone, online, and that social connect, the social human touch is missing. Hey, we all need a phone to communicate. So that's the reason in this video I want to share with you and urge you that we must be using the phone and the phone must not use us. So if you are someone constantly checking the phone again and again and again and again, let this be a wake up call for you. Okay, so let's not get addicted to this mobile phone. Whenever we require it, we must be using it. Okay? And we have all the controls in what time the notification should come, whether you want to have the push notification or not. The control is still with us. Okay, so let's all use the mobile phone in a very wise way instead of the phone using us and robbing our peace and the relationship. If you know someone who is always busy fiddling with the phone, share this video with them. Okay, probably that can be a wake up call for them. Thanks for watching this video. This is Murali Sundaram, your happiness coach. Bye bye.